Pads? Tampons? Menstrual cups? We're here to tackle the least known product that helps keep your monthly visitor at bay: menstrual cups. Menstrual cups are vessels that collect your menstrual blood for up to 12 hours of leak-proof wear. Sounds like magic? Kind of. It works using suction and creates a seal that prevents any leakage or odor. Just like everyone's mom's favorite thing, Tupperware. They're made from soft silicone, making them reusable for 2 to 10 years and environmentally as well as pocket-friendly. These cups are available online in 3 different sizes, but don't worry, choosing the right one is easier than finding the right size of pants. The smallest size is for women under the age of 18. Medium is for women older than 18 but who have never had a child, and finally, large is for women who have given birth. When using a menstrual cup for the first time, disinfect the cup by boiling it in water for 5 minutes. Be careful not to let it touch the bottom, as it will burn. The simplest fold for insertion is the inward fold. Press one side of the rim into the cup towards the narrow base, and it will create a shape that's tapered at one end. There are plenty of other ways to fold it as well, so find what works best for you. Make sure to start with clean hands and stand in the shower or by the toilet with one leg raised. Remember to relax your body and breathe while you try to insert the cup following the natural direction of your vaginal canal. You will feel it unfold. That's supposed to happen. Keep going until the stem is fully inserted, and then grip the base and rotate it one full circle. This creates the seal, and that's it. If you're not ready to take the risk, wear a panty liner with it until you feel comfortable. To remove it, feel for the stem of the cup and pull it out slightly till you can grip the base and squeeze. This will release the suction seal and allow you to remove it completely. Rinse it clean and wash it with a mild, fragrance-free cleanser like baby shampoo. Make sure to clean out the tiny holes along the rim by stretching them and rinsing. Worried about using it in a public toilet? Just empty it into the toilet, wipe it down with some tissue paper, and reinsert it with no fuss. Boil the cup for a few minutes between cycles to completely sanitize it. If you notice extreme discoloration or odor, then throw the cup out and replace it. If you are unable to successfully insert it, don't be discouraged. Take a breath and try again. So now, ladies, throw out those unattractive period panties and stop checking for stains. Try this no strings attached or wings attached product for your time of the month and experience period peace of mind. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.